silver crest multifunction blender roboter. This is not, here is off position, this is on, this is starting, here we on off. You see, this is a problem, not running. This is, you see, this is off position, this is, you see, this is not on. Now I open this. This is a variable types. How to speed you run up. Inching system this. This is a push again work. This is already on, not running. See, you small running this. This is maybe inside problem. Now you open this. This is how to open this cap. Downside 4 screw open. Again this open. Check the what is the problem. I remove these switches. Now check the series circuit. This is a working, not working. I check the series. Now I rect the series circuit. See? Not working. Now this, check here. Sometime work, sometime not working. Now here, in the computer circuit, not completed. Now I pull the switch. Again testing. Sometime work, sometime not working. Actually this replace these switches. Now I give power. Give power. Here is here not. Now I open the switch. Maybe this is switch problem. Check the continuity. Remove these jacks and replace these switches. Switches problem only. Multi blender root. This is a variable speed control. This is a switches is okay, only variable resistor is burning. This is not starting this. I open this. This is a speed control variable problem. This is one resistor is burning. This resistor is burning. This is now air fixing. Again start this machine. This is a high speed variable not working. This is resistor burning. It is not work. It actually, this is too much. Use this 5 minutes running this machine. This is resistor is burn. Only 1 minute again some stop it, again start. This is a problem. This juicer grinder Now this resistor I change, again fix the variable, again start this machine. Now I change the resistor. Now I give to power. This side is already working. Before this side not working. Now this is work. Resistor problem. I remove the resistor. Okay. This is inching working. This is a continue working. Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.